so nice waking up to the sound of the rooster. Wow, isn't that lovely?
What is it laugh about?
What a way them people can laugh, eh? I guess them take when Miss Lou say very, very seriously. Fi take kinti kiba art bun. Anyway, no mind them, yeah? Hello there, my beautiful people. I am Millicent. Welcome back to my channel. An extra special welcome to those who are joining for the very first time. And thanks to those who have been coming back video after video. This is part 2 in the series, Games We Used to Play Back in the Days. In part 1, my sister and I showed you a game called Bakani. If you did not get the chance to see that video, I am encouraging you to watch it as soon as possible. What are you waiting for? Yes, but can you guess what game we have for you today? Please follow me and you will see. Playing time, playing time, playing time. Playing time, playing time, playing time. All work and no play makes Jack a mere toy. Play is for woman, man, girl and boy. Play is for woman, man, girl and boy. Hello again, everyone. We are back again with another game that we used to play back in the days. All right, Ruby, what is this name? What is this game called?
We call it Tee Taa Toe.
Tee Taa Toe. All right, and if you notice on this board here, you notice how the lines are drawn. We have diagonal, two diagonal lines. We have one horizontal and a vertical line. Now, we use what?
Horizontal and vertical. Okay.
Yes, we use what we call this for man.
Yeah, we call them men.
Yeah.
So we put our, we call them man.
We say man
Although
because
they are
those
many,
days,
we
yes,
say
we
man.
say we man them. All right, we use a man.
Alright.
So my color is blue.
Mine is red.
Okay, so the aim is for the person who can get 3 in a row, whether this way, that way, that way, that way. All right, then that person would get, we say Tee Taa Toe, and that person would get a game. All right.
So I'll begin first.
Okay.
I put my man.
So I am going to try to see if I can black her up. You know, you have to read the game, you know. All right, so your turn.
And I put another one.
All right. So I am going to put mine here.
And I will put another one here.
Oh my lord. So, yes.
Wow. It's my turn.
You're going to move.
Here do I go. I have no choice. Do I have a choice?
No, I have choice. No, we don't get to go.
Do I have a choice?
Let's read the game. Let's read the game.
I'm gonna get out of the middle.
Okay. Get out of the middle. Let me see which one. I am going to get out of the middle too. But where do I put this one? Oh my goodness. I put that down. Oh my gosh.
I put this here.
Oh, let me see. Oh, let me see. All right, I'm moving there.
You're moving there.
Mm-hmm.
I am moving here.
Yeah, win, Miss Ruby.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, win.
Look at this. Oh, can you take this? Zoom in on this. Oh, I am going to lose, but I am a cheerful loser, so no problem. So she's gonna come this way and get it. Well,
Okay, the game is mine.
so Tee Taa Toe.
Oh, yeah.
So Ruby is the winner.
Yes, yes, yes.
All right. And then the game will continue and continue and continue and continue. I hope you enjoyed this game. All right. So you can play with your family members at home. You notice we have 2 persons playing the game. All right. So until next time, when we do another game that we used to play back in the days. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you all so very much for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Touch the notification bell so you'll be notified. Touch the notification bell so you'll be notified. Like up the video. If you touch the thumbs up button, it shows that you've liked. Just like up the video. If you touch the thumbs up button, it shows that you've liked. Oh yes, please do subscribe and like, and please do not forget to share this video to as many persons as possible. Remember, the aim of this channel is to help in preserving Jamaica's cultural heritage, and together we can do it.